Hey guys, I made a little mistake when I was doing the Unit 6 test answer key. So I want to just go over this one question real quick because I made a boo-boo. So here we go. So this is a product to sum example. So we are going from product to sum, and this is how you would set it up. We would do 1/2, sine, sine, and then we would add the two angles and then subtract an angle from the other. So let's simplify this. This is where I made a dum-dum error. So here we go. We get sine of 15 pi over 12 plus pi over 12 plus sine of 15 pi over 12 minus pi over 12. That gives me 1/2 sine of 16 pi over 12, which we can reduce to sine of 4 pi over 3, divide by 4. And this is going to be sine of 14 pi over 12, which is the same thing as 7 pi over 6. Okay, let's make this smaller so I can move it to the side a little bit. All right. Now, when I'm simplifying this, I get 1/2 times sine of 4 pi over 3. So that is going to be in the third quadrant. And then sine of 7 pi over 6. That is also going to be in the third quadrant, which means it's going to be negative and it's going to be negative. All right, so sine of 4 pi over 3. First off, what's sine of pi over 3? Sine of pi over 3 is the sine of 60 degrees, which is going to be sine of 60 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. And since it's in the third quadrant, there we go. And then sine of 7 pi over 6. Sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. And in the third quadrant, it'll be negative 1/2. And so now we just got to combine these. So 1/2 negative square root of 3 minus 1 over 2. It's nice that they had the same denominator already. And then 1/2 times that, we just multiply the denominator by 2. And that gives us 4. And that is our answer. Negative square root of 3 minus 1 over 4. Okay.